Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out GG2U.org, which is a GPT style website. Let's take a look at whether you can actually earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Is this a good way for you to make money online, or is this just a big waste of time? All right, let's check it out. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel, all sorts of different free websites, paid websites, surveys, GPT style, watching video ads, all sorts of different courses, video business models, and some of them are great and you can potentially make a lot of money, but a lot of them are actually a little bit of a waste of time. They pay out very little. Some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at GG2U.org to see how this stacks up against every other opportunity I've reviewed out there. All right. Now, GG2U is basically a GPT style website. Get paid to do something. All right. They've got all sorts of different surveys, games, and videos, like they said right here, and also what they call paid offers. And we're going to run through them each so that you can see whether this is a good way for you to really make money online, right? Now, the interesting thing about this website, I mean, it looks pretty nice, pretty clean, okay? They have some pretty big claims here, right? So it says, our surveys and offer walls usually give you the best payout rates in the entire industry, a huge 65 to 85% more, whereas most of our competitors only pay you 40 to 60% to their members, okay? So that might be true. Let's have a look. But here's the thing about surveys and offer walls, they don't pay out that much anyway. So, you know, getting an additional 10 or 15% isn't really going to make much of a difference to you as a user. That's the thing. So if you don't have any experience with GPT style websites, you may not know that they actually don't pay out that much money anyway. A lot of them are real, a lot of them are legit, and we'll explore GG2U a little bit more in a second, right? But you'll see that this isn't necessarily the best way for you to make money on the internet, okay? So if you scroll down here, you know, it says easy ways for you to earn. You can play video games and things like that. It looks pretty fun, right? But we'll see whether that's actually true in a second, okay? So the good thing is about GG2U is that anybody can join from anywhere in the world. You just enter your name, your email address, username, and password, and this is available pretty much globally, which is pretty cool. All right. Now, once you log in, you're gonna have basically an offer wall. That's what they call it. That looks something like this, right? Now, I've reviewed a lot of GPT-style websites, probably over 30 or 40 of them, because I've been doing this a long time, and I can tell you straight away that just by looking at this, a lot of these companies right here are legit, okay? So OfferToro, AdGate Media, CPX Research, AdGem, Lootably, these are all very, very big, reputable survey websites and paid offer walls, all right? So I already know just from looking at this that GG2U is working with legitimate third-party companies, all right? Now, the way it works is you would basically come here and you would click on any one of these and it would lead you to different sections and you can do different things, right? So you can watch videos, you can download offers, you can play games, and you can take surveys as well, right? Now, they also shortcut the survey section for you right here, and it says 100 coins is equal to $1, okay? And they're gonna pay you here 141 coins for a 16-minute survey. All right, so that sounds pretty cool, right? That means you spend 16 minutes and you will earn roughly about $1.40 because that's 141 coins, right? But here's the thing, it's not always true, okay? They say that it's 141 coins and it takes 16 minutes, but they might not actually pay you that many coins for that amount of time. You will get coins and you will make a bit of money, but the problem is whether you will actually get the exact amount of coins, and it might only be this one survey. That means you can't sit here and keep filling out, 141 coin surveys every 15 minutes or 16 minutes, because that's not how GPT-style websites work, okay? If you're lucky, today when you log in, you might be able to fill out a decent survey and really make $1 for that survey. But other times, you're gonna come in here and you will have very, very low-paying surveys. So 35 cents here. This one is $2.25, but very unlikely. There's no ratings right here, so just be careful. It's not always that you're going to be able to fill out surveys. The other thing that you have to be very careful of is that every time you fill out a survey, you have to fill out what's called a pre-qualification questionnaire. That means that you're not going to qualify for every survey necessarily. Now, sometimes The pre-qualification questions will take you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to fill out, and then you realize that you're not relevant for that survey and you won't be able to fill it out. So you've just spent 10 minutes trying to qualify for the survey, but you're not actually qualified because they're looking for a very specific demographic for that survey, but you've just wasted time doing it and then you might not qualify for it. So all these surveys right here, I may not qualify for any of these. Okay, so it looks very enticing, it looks very easy, but it's actually a lot more difficult and time consuming than you think. But if you do qualify for them, you might really be able to make the $1 here, or the 35 cents here, or maybe the $2.25 here if you really do qualify and if you're lucky. Okay, now let's look at some of the other ways to earn. Offertoro, I've already clicked on this. This is an offer wall, right? And you can see that they basically have all sorts of different offers where you can get paid coins. Okay, now this looks very enticing because it's a game, Smash Party Hero action, right? But it says, and you can get up to 1,570 coins, right? That sounds awesome, okay? But it's not as easy as you think. If we click on Smash Hero Party right here, you're gonna see that this is the way it works. You first have to complete World 1 up to stage 10. Okay, that means in world number 1 they've got 10 stages, and if you complete that you get 1.4 coins. That's crazy. That's very, very little. Okay, and then if you complete that, you go to world number 2, and if you complete world 210, that means that's 20 levels that you've just played. You get paid another 2.3 coins. So you just made 1.4 coins plus 2.3 coins. Okay, that's a whopping 3.7 coins. It's not much at all. All right, if you complete world 3 out of 10, you get 3.3 coins. So you get the idea, right? Let me just go all the way down to show you how to win all that. So to win all of this, you'd have to complete the game. That would mean that you would have to play, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's basically 90 levels that you would have to win and beat. That's very difficult, okay, before you can win the 1,570.5 coins. Almost impossible for anyone to win up to 90 levels of this particular game. It would probably take you a few weeks, you know, if you were even good at this game, for you to win the 1,570 coins. So it's not easy, okay? That's the point I'm trying to make. Now you can win the points, but it's not something that's easy to do, right? Cheese jumper, let's take a look at this. Up to 1,634 coins. Look at this, okay? Very same thing. Reach level 10, 1 coin. Reach level 20, 3 coins. I mean, even to reach level 20 in any game is very, very difficult, all right? And you only get 3 coins for that. So a 3 coins, you know, that's almost nothing, okay? Because as we already know, 100 coins is worth $1, right? So 3 coins is worth 3 cents, okay? So you might spend maybe a few days, you know, before you reach level 20, and then you only get 3 cents. So you have to ask yourself, is that a good use of your time, right? Some people, it might be okay, but I think that it's not a great use of your time, all right? And we'll wrap it up in a minute to see, you know, whether that's good. Now, there's another way to make money here called videos, okay? So if you click on videos, you can watch videos, right? But here's the thing about watching these videos, okay? It says that you can earn up to 0.015 cents per video. That means you're earning basically 1.5 cents per video, but that's up to. Most of the time, and I'm very familiar with this because I've reviewed so many of these, this is basically Hideout, and Hideout is a 100% legit video watching ad platform, okay? But most of the time, they don't pay 1 cent per video. Most of the time, they pay 1/10 of a cent of a video. That means you have to watch 10 videos to make 1 cent, all right? Now, the videos that you watch will take a while. It's a few minutes. You have to watch the ads and stuff like that, and then you have to click through it. It takes a while to load, blah, 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 blah. So it does take a little bit of time for you to actually successfully watch the videos, and you can legitimately make money from this, but you don't usually make 1 cent per video. Usually you make 1/10 of a cent per video, right? So it will take you 10 videos before you make 1 cent, and that might take you half an hour to watch 10 videos, okay? So it might be half an hour before you make 1 cent. So imagine how many videos you have to watch to make $1, right? So yes, you can make money this way, but it's a lot of time, and they make it sound very, very easy when in fact it's actually very, very difficult to make money on a GPT style website, okay? So let's talk about the way that you can, you know, withdraw and things like that, right? On average, it takes about $7 before you can withdraw through PayPal and other gift card methods with GG2U, all right? So it's a legitimate way, but in order for you to reach the $7 threshold, it will probably take you about, you know, a few hours a day and up to about a week, okay? Because roughly, if you spend 2 or 3 hours a day on a GPT style website like this, you can probably make about $1. All right, that's on average, okay, with all of the GPT style websites out there. Now it says it's got some big claims here. It says that they paid a huge 65 to 85%, but it's not really huge. It's actually pretty normal for industry standards. I mean, I've been through the website. I can see how much they pay. It's pretty normal stuff, okay? So if you spend an hour or two on GG2U, you might make $1, maybe $2, maybe $3 if you're lucky, all right? And so to hit the threshold, maybe it'll take you, I said a week before, but you know, it might take you a little bit less than that if you're lucky, maybe a few days, right? But you're still spending a lot of time on this website to make really not that much money, all right? So I would say the GG2U is okay. It's not bad. It's an okay GPT style website. It's available internationally. The threshold level is quite low. It's $7. They work with some very big companies right here, which are all legit. So you can definitely make money this way. It's definitely free, but I would say that expect to earn a couple of dollars for a few hours of work every single day. It's not life-changing income. If you are in a country where $2 or $3 is life-changing income a day, then definitely check GG2U out. But I think that for most people that are watching this video, that's not going to be life-changing income for you. Life-changing income would be hundreds of dollars a day, and there are much better ways to get to hundreds of dollars a day rather than a couple of dollars a day for 2 hours or 3 hours of work, if that makes sense, okay? So you can check out gg2u.org if you would like, but if you're watching this video right now and you're looking for more life-changing income, maybe you're looking for hundreds of dollars a day for a couple of hours of work, there are much better high income skill sets that you can do online rather than working on GPT style websites like this. Now this is a great way to maybe get started, right? But I think that if you have 2 or 3 hours a day extra, there are much better ways to earn big money, okay? And if you would like to do that, I've got a strategy that has taken me a long time to figure out. It took me 8 years to actually find this strategy, and this strategy can earn you between $5,000 and $10,000 a month, maybe more if you take a lot more action, and it's 100% from home. All you need is your computer and internet connection. If you would like to check that out for free, click the link below, and I'll send that straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of GG2U, and I hope to see you on another review soon. Take care.